All right. 3.3, logarithmic functions and their graphs. And don't stress about the fact that you see the and their graphs because we're not graphing them.
Okay.
Just the name of the section.
That is nice.
All right, so notes first.
Then examples? So they're short.
And then tomorrow will just be a work day. So those of you that won't be here, you can just, that's all you'll have to do. All right, changing between logarithmic and exponential form. This should mostly be a review from last year. B is greater than 0, B is not equal to 1, and n is greater than 0. Skip some space. If we have the log base b of some number n is equal to some power p, and we have that base b raised to power p is equal to some number n, I'll show you again how to convert from one to the other. I'll let y'all draw that or get those written down first.
Oh my god. Stop being Is that vanilla or chocolate?
Chocolate. The only way to get it. Kenny likes the vanilla one, that's why I say that. I just do not like the vanilla one. It's not sweet.
Vanilla what?
Basically, they just take their frosting mix and pour it into the coffee.
That actually sounds good.
It's really good. And right now, it's free. Every day, if you buy a breakfast sandwich, you get a free any size drink. So I get a large coffee. It's great. I'm like, incentive enough to get up early.
Why is there so much room?
Because we're gonna loop de loop.
Oh man.
Uh-oh.
I probably don't need that much room because I don't like that big. Watch me regret that decision. Shut up, Ariel.
All right, so for the log base b of some number n equal to some power p, I start at the b, go over to the p, loop around to the n. So if I'm going log to exponential, I make an e. Your mat would give me b to the p is equal to n.
This is so much better than mine. That looks like trash. Oh.
Oh.
Sounds like she knows what she's doing.
I don't, but
Then if I want to go from exponential to a log, I make an L, start log base b, some number n equals some power p, and so I write that one.
Shouldn't I just drink like two of these a class period? And then it might help, right?
Probably.
I'm just gonna do that.
Oh my gosh, it actually
Now I'm gonna have to go.
you
It
look
doesn't
over and
look
Bible class and
bad.
it's just chugging water.
Like, it
I'm gonna,
didn't look too
probably
bad.
pregnant. I'm gonna have a water baby. I literally get those at volleyball all the time because I'll just chug like 4 bottles of water.
And just because I
Yeah,
can drink
great.
the colors I want, I just.
All right, so that's how we convert. Hopefully that's a review. All right, basic properties of logarithms.
Wait, what?
I guess I think they're a pain.
For 0 less than b, and it's not equal to 1, x greater than 0, and any real number y. Log base b of 1 is equal to 0 because b to the 0 is equal to 1. Two, log base b of b is equal to 1 because b to the 1 is equal to b. 3 log base b of b to the y is equal to y because b to the y equals b to the y. 4 b to the log base b of x is equal to x because log base b of x is equal to the log base b of x.
Oh.
Did
Number
just
B,
go.
that's not even how you write.
I just drunk through this whole thing.
Number B.
You're gonna
what
go
do I
again in
write
like
down?
5 minutes then.
Okay.
I already have to go again, but I'll wait 5 minutes.
Alright, so then a common log. Okay, this is a button on your calculator.
Mom.
It's log base 10. But we just write it as the log of b, and that means the same thing as that.
Number 3, sorry, I'm a little behind. Number 3, it says log.
Base b of y.
Okay.
Base b of b to the y is
Okay.
equal to y. Yeah.
Thank you.
So this common log is the button on your calculator that literally just says log. In case anybody wanted to know.
Oh, so that's what happens when I always hit that button on accident.
Correct. Then a natural log is log base e, written as the ln of b, and that would be equivalent to the log base e of b. Okay, on your calculator, if you're looking for that button, it actually just says, whoa. That was weird. Oh, I clicked the pencil instead of the pen. That's the problem. ln.
I have a base E.
E's a number. Actually, today's E day.
Huh?
In math, it's E day.
I got to go.
That was so I almost just said, Hope called me and told me what you texted her yesterday, but then I figured she'd probably kill me if I was on the video,
Oh, if you said it out loud.
so. Yeah.
You're back already?
No, I just have to put that down.
Where's the top? It's gonna spill.
Don't walk anywhere near it.
Thanks, Joelle. Stressing me out just a little bit. All right, the last note thing is just that we can't have negative or 0 inside the log. If it is, then it is undefined.